today we have 2 times the same car, but with a very different surface. Here we have PPF that needs some scrubbing. Maybe you can see the shades of the stickers that were applied. And then we have the same car, but without PPF, that is getting ready for sale, where we will show the matte scrub on the actual matte paint.
Today, like Florian said, we're going to take care of the 2 beautiful cars. So first of all, we're going to wash them thoroughly with wash mitt and everything to get them totally clean. And afterwards, we're going to use 2 versions of scrub, one for PPF, one for paint, for you to see how much of a difference it makes to use the scrub afterwards, even though the car was really clean. As you can see here, we put foam on the car, and now the foam is sticking to where the previous stickers were, because this is what we're trying to do later. We clean thoroughly the car now, and then all this residue from the stickers on the car will be removed, so we have a uniformly surface and the car is ready to go.
So the car is clean, and I hope that on video you can see that there's the traces of the stickers left pretty much everywhere. It's actually in reverse, so those parts where the stickers were are clean, and then you can see the brown parts around it are the spots that we will now clean with the PPF scrub. So I will do a piece by hand, and then the rest we will do by machine. In principle, it's very easy to use, so hence I'm demonstrating both ways. So even if you have no prior knowledge with doing any of this type of work, it's pretty safe to use it.
So just some additional information for people who want to use it. We use it regularly by hand or with the polishing machine, and some people are scared off when they see a polishing machine because maybe they are not used to it, but for this product you absolutely need no polishing skills. You just use the polishing machine as a device, but you don't do any paint correction with it, because the scrub itself, the abrasives inside are so small, they are not able to do proper paint correction, just do like a deep cleansing. And it's easier to work bigger surfaces with a polishing machine. So even without any polishing skills, feel free to try it with a machine and a very soft pad.
So in this case, you can basically go full throttle from the beginning, because there is nothing that needs to break down. So you're basically just saving time by going faster with the machine. Just make sure that with the abrasion you generate from the pad, which can potentially cut if it's not an ultra soft pad like this, that you're not generating too much friction because of that. And yeah, then it should be a very quick job. So I would say do like the whole car like this. After it was washed, it will take maybe 30 minutes. Okay, so the car is clean, everything was prepped. For some background information, the car had a small accident. So this whole side was repainted, the rear bumper was repainted. The rest of the car had PPF on it while it was sitting for 2 years. The only part that wasn't protected over those 2 years was the trunk lid. So we will definitely do the trunk lid with this. And then we will see how much contamination accumulated over the last couple weeks. And yeah, get it to the best possible condition. So I will show matte scrub for paint by hand and also by machine. If you made it so far. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you liked the video and the idea of scrub. Please let us know in the comments if you have used it, if you would use it, if you have any questions about it. And yeah, we're pretty happy with the results. And yeah.
You can even drop a like, drop a comment. If you have any ideas about the products, feel free to join the channel and give us some feedback. Thank you very much.